Are you dreaming of studying in Germany on a scholarship? Your CV is the first impression the committee gets, and it can make or break your chances. I've seen the basic challenge of writing a proper CV in many of the people who sent me their CVs. So, in this video, I'll give you the major points you should know about writing a strong CV for MSc study, especially for DAAD and other German scholarships. Imagine this. You've got great grades and motivation, but your CV doesn't show your potential clearly. Let's fix that today. Your CV tells your story in one page: who you are, what you've done, and where you're heading. For DAAD and most German scholarships, it's a required document and often reviewed before your motivation letter. DAAD even specifies that your CV must be in tabular format and have no chronological gaps. That means showing a complete timeline: studies, internships, volunteer work, everything. In Germany, a tabular CV is standard. Think of it like a two-column timeline. On the left, the dates. On the right, your experiences, roles, or education. Keep it reverse chronological, newest first. Use bullet points, not paragraphs. At the top, include full name and contact info, date and place of birth, nationality. Optional photo, only if the program allows it. At the bottom, the date and your signature or typed name. It's a small, traditional detail that adds polish. Let's go section by section. 1. Personal information: name, address, email, phone, nationality. Optional: date, place of birth, photo, only if requested. 2. Education: list degrees in reverse order, most recent first. Add thesis titles or GPAs if impressive. 3. Work experience, internships, role, institution, and 2 to 3 short bullet points describing your duties or achievements. 4. Scholarships, awards, projects, include any grants, competitions, or research projects. 5. Skills: languages, with proficiency levels, and relevant software or lab skills. Example: English C1, German B1, Python, MATLAB. 6. Extracurricular, volunteer activities, clubs, volunteering, leadership roles. These show soft skills. 7. Hobbies, optional. A line or two adds a personal touch: sports, music, reading, etc. 8. Signature and date end with Berlin 03 Nov 2025, your name. Keep your CV short, active, and factual. Each bullet, tummy, one clear idea. Tutored 20 first-year students in physics. I was responsible for helping students improve academically. Tailor it to the scholarship: academic focus, highlight research, thesis, seminars. Development focus, highlight volunteering or leadership. Avoid long sentences or filler words, and no unexplained gaps. If you took a break, write 2020 language course or 2020 volunteer teacher. Meet Sarah from Kenya. She finished her bachelor's in 2022 and wanted a DAAD scholarship. Her first CV was 5 pages of paragraphs. Too much. She switched to a tabular format, reduced it to 2 pages, and wrote 2022-2023 lab intern, Nairobi Research Institute, conducted water quality tests. 2018-2022 BSc Biology, University of Nairobi, graduated with honors. Languages: English, fluent, German, B1, Python programming. Now her CV was crisp and easy to read. The committee could instantly see her achievements, and she got shortlisted. Let's recap the golden rules. Tabular layout. Dates left, details right. Include all key sections, no gaps. Be concise, 1 to 2 pages max. Proofread for typos and grammar. Save as PDF. Surname first, name CV PDF. Now it's your turn. Open that laptop and start shaping your story. You're not just writing a CV, you're building your first impression for your scholarship dream. If this video helped you, subscribe, like, and comment below with which scholarship you're applying for. Good luck, and hopefully I'll see you in Germany.